Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this video, I am just going to discuss briefly the updates that will be coming to this channel for April of 2026. So I've been updating about every 3 months is what I've been trying to do. So here's what's coming. Now, overall, I'm doing a lot of lecture slides and videos that are designed to work with the OpenStax Astronomy textbook, the 2nd edition. I am working on updates here, and I'm re-releasing the lectures, which will continue through this year. I'm currently through about 6 or 7 chapters of the 30 chapters, so that will continue through this year and be updated 1 new lecture each week. Overall, the channel will still be updated. On Monday, I started off experimenting with the songs of the universe, doing some AI-generated songs. The first set had to do with the solar system. The next one will be on a set of astronomers from early times with Ptolemy through the 20th century. So I'll have a series of astronomers that we will look at there with the songs. On Wednesday, I'm continuing the Astronomy of Other Cultures, the Multicultural Astronomy series, and we'll be looking at astronomers from India over the next 3 months. Thursday is the re-release of the lecture videos, and on Friday I am going to pause my exploration of the solar system that we've been working on for the last 6 months, and we're going to try a new series for the next little bit, and that will be a recent discoveries in astronomy, trying to look at things that have come up within the last few weeks. So it won't necessarily be completely new, but relatively new within the last 2 to 3 weeks is what my goal is at this point. So it'll be a new series. I'm going to see how that works out and give it a try for at least the next 3 months and see how that works, and then decide whether we go from there or how we go from there with it. So that's just a little bit as to what's coming up over the next few months on the channel. I hope you'll tune in for other videos. So until next time, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.